Hello guys, today I'm going to make a chocolate chips cookie. Let's prepare the ingredient. I'm putting is brown sugar, 75 grams of brown sugar. Next, 75 grams of sugar. I'm going to turn this off and then put the butter. This is 150 grams of butter. Okay, almost done. There we go. Okay. Wait a bit more. Okay. Next, mix it with a mixer. Mita! Get another bowl and then put a baking powder. Use a teaspoon. Okay. Done. Now next is 200 grams of flour. We are putting it in here. Okay, done. And now we are going to put a salt. Use a teaspoon. Okay, and now 50 grams of chocolate chip. Yummy. So, okay, done. And then we are going to put one egg. Just only one egg. Okay, done. So, and next is vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Okay, that's it's also full. Be careful with it. Okay, done. And close this. And then turn it on. That's all done. Stock. Okay, there. Maybe one. Okay, done. Okay, done. Whoa, that's a fast boot right there. Okay, turn this to 0. Okay, then. Okay, and then take the flour, place it in. Is almost done. Almost okay. Mix it all. Done. And then put the chocolate chips. Mix it. Be careful. And then now place it here. It's kind of sticky. Make the microwave is hot. Then we are going to place this inside. Okay, wait 50 minutes. 15, Okay, it's going to happen. It happened this. Okay, next. And then done. You have your chocolate chips cookie. That take a long time to figure out. But I hope you enjoy. Okay, guys. I hope you have a good time with this. Bye.